Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to get the official Spotify widget. Now, originally when iOS 14 came out, we weren't able to get a real version of the widget for Spotify. We were using another application like TuneTrack to make the widget, and it wasn't really good. It showed us our songs, but it didn't actually work. Now, there is an update available for Spotify. So if you just go over to your app store and just make sure you're on the latest version, just update your Spotify application, and then you'll be able to create the widget. Once you have that done, you just long press on an application, click on Edit, and then the plus button at the top left corner. And then you can scroll down, and then you will see Spotify at the bottom here. Click on Spotify, and then you see you have two options, sorry. You have the small one and then the medium one. So now you can just add the widget, and that is going to be the official Spotify widget. It'll connect to your Spotify. So if you just click on it, and as you see, it's connected to my Spotify. I'm not playing a song right now, or else it would show the song, but it is the official Spotify widget. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you guys how to get the official one. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.